mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. October 2, Wednesday Racing. Umpisa ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. Meron tayong 7 races. Yung race 1 at saka 4, 5, 6, and 7. Apat na karera, 1,400. Yung race 2 and 3, mas maikling distansyang 1,200. Race number 1, first and only choice number 3, Modern Legacy. Race 2, first choice number 8, Flywheel. Second choice number 7, Buwayang Bato. Third choice number 2, Top Peeling. Race 3, first choice number 3, Private Dining. Second choice number 1, Abalicious. Race 4, first choice number 5, Ice on Sunrise. Second choice number 6, Put Loose. Race 5, first choice number 3, Amiable Maxine. Second choice number 7, Louisville. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 7, Etnad. Second choice number 8, Mr. Old Rich. Race 7, last race. Race na may Super 6. First choice number 10, Bantay Sarado. Second choice number 9, King Wasco. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!